Today's how-to video is going to be showing you how to change your brakes on your car or truck. Now this is a pretty simple video. It's a video I covered many times on the channel, and you probably see it many more. So I'm Tats and I make videos, so let's just jump into this one. We got my buddy Amos here. He's going to be demonstrating in this one. So once you get this pretty well done, jack your car up, make sure it's safe, put jack stand under it. You should know how to take a wheel off. I got videos on that. You can check my channel out for it. So once you get that, you want to go ahead and loosen your two bolts here. 1, 2. Simple to do. Just loosen them up. Take them completely out. So the brakes on this wasn't too bad, but I was getting some squeaky noises from it. And I think it was from either dust in the throttled rotaries or this backing plate is just loose and scraping right here. Yeah. Either way, we're changing them. We put them up, save them. We get in a hot spot, always can reuse them because they ain't wore out. Now you want to make sure your throttles do move in and out. And if they don't, you need to clean them up. Take you a little brush and clean out inside here and grease these up good. Make sure they fried extremely well. And when putting new brakes on, it's always good to change your hardware too. You can buy brake kits. Usually the costlier brakes come with these, cheaper ones do not. So we went ahead and cleaned this one up. This one wasn't fried. As you can see, it's working now. Working very good. Now you can use an old brake pad and pair of channel locks to match this in. They do make tools for this, and pretty much we ain't using the tool, we're just using the old pair of channel locks. And there we go, they are mashed in. Using the old brake pad too, you don't want to use your new brake pad if you're doing that. That's just not too smart. Now you can install your new hardware and anti-seize these. Try not to get it on your rotary. Now your brakes go on the same way it came off. Now you want to make sure you torque to specs, unless you like us, and pretty well we just snug them up. Once you get this done, you can go ahead and put your wheel back on, tighten your lug nuts up, and then I'll show you the next step. Anyway, we're going to start the vehicle now. We are going to do the most important part of any brake install: pump your brakes. Because if you don't, you'll be in for a bad situation. And the pedal feels good now. It's built back up. The car stops like it should. A new video coming soon. It will be a strut. I put a new strut on this side, but if you watch as I hit my brakes, I bounce on this side right here. It needs a strut. I got a new one for it. I just have not installed it yet. There will be a video on that, so if that's something you're interested in and ain't subscribed yet, get subscribed. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.